fun. I feel like it's just hiding something. And when I say I'm done, everybody thinks I'm joking. I don't know where to go. I'll climb up to the top of this mess alone and just look around. What is real? You've got to stop the lie and figure it out. Does anybody know? Your heart will tell you what it's all about. Hey, does anybody care? Is it obvious? I'll climb up to the top of this mess alone and just look around. And what is real? 1,000,000 years to make one diamond. Is love temporary? If you want the pearls, you've got to dive in. Oh, I've been wondering what is real. If it's so real, then is it obvious? Why do we lie? Why do we hide behind a new fantasy? Now, oh, but tell me what is real. Baby, don't lie. Baby, don't lie. Tell me what you feel inside. Baby, don't lie. Baby, don't lie. Want to see you start to believe in fantasy. It's better than real. Better, 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 better. Hey, does anybody